Leaving the office. After a long day at work, I have one clear goal. I want a quiet evening and a good start for tomorrow. My name is Emma, and I work in a busy office downtown. Today I had many emails, 2 meetings, and a small problem with a report. When the clock shows 6, I close my laptop and take a deep breath. I put my notebook in my bag and check my desk. I do not want to forget anything. My phone shows a message from my sister. She asks, "Are you free tonight?" I smile, but I know I need my routine first. If I do each step slowly, I feel better. I turn off the light, say goodbye to my team, and walk outside into the cool evening air. The way home. The bus stop is near my office. I walk there with other people who also look tired. I put on my earphones, but I do not play loud music. I choose a soft song. It helps me leave work in the past. The bus arrives, and I find a seat by the window. On the way home, I look at the small shops and bright windows. A man buys flowers. A child carries a school bag. Life feels softer outside the office. I answer my sister and write, "I can call you later, after dinner." Then I open my calendar and check tomorrow. I have one early meeting. I need to sleep well tonight. When my stop comes, I stand up and feel more peaceful. Home and simple dinner. When I open my apartment door, I feel safe. My home is small, but it is warm and clean. First, I take off my shoes. Then, I hang my blazer in the hall and put my bag on a chair. I wash my hands and change into soft clothes. This small action tells my body, work is finished. I do not cook a difficult meal on work nights. Tonight, I make rice, vegetables, and chicken. I cut carrots and green peppers. The colors look bright on the board. While the food cooks, I drink a glass of water. I also put tomorrow's lunchbox on the counter. This saves time in the morning. The smell of warm food fills the kitchen. I feel hungry now, but in a good way. My evening is moving in the right direction. A walk and a phone call. After dinner, I clean the plate and the pan right away. I do not like waking up to a messy kitchen. Then I put on my light jacket and go outside for a short walk. I do not run. I only walk for 15 minutes. The air is cool and the street is quiet. In the small park near my building, I call my sister. She tells me about her new class. I tell her about my long day and my plan to sleep early. She laughs and says, "You always have a plan." I laugh too. Talking with her makes me feel less alone. As I walk under the soft lights, my body feels lighter. I look at the sky and see one bright star. I decide to go home before I get cold. Ready for tomorrow. Back at home, I take a warm shower and brush my teeth. I put on clean pajamas and make a cup of tea without sugar. Then I prepare my clothes for tomorrow. I choose a blue shirt and dark trousers. I put my keys, wallet, and work badge near my bag. Now, the morning will be easier. Before bed, I sit with my notebook for 5 minutes. I write 3 simple things: finish report, buy milk, call mom. I also write one good thing from today. Tonight it is my walk with my sister's call. I close the notebook, The room becomes quiet. My goal is complete. I am not thinking about work now. I feel ready for tomorrow. I switch off the lamp, lie down, and sleep with a calm mind.